everyone! If you're looking to get $5 for free on Cash App, you're in the right place. I'll show you exactly how to use a special code to claim your bonus. It's super easy, so stick around. Cash App is a popular payment app that lets you send, receive, and spend money easily. It's perfect for splitting bills, paying friends back, or shopping online. One cool thing about Cash App is that they offer promotions where new users can get a bonus for signing up and using a referral code. So, here's how you can get your $5 bonus. First, download the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play. Once you've installed it, sign up and enter your details like your email, phone number, and other basic info. Now, here's the important part. When you see the option to enter referral code, make sure you use the code HXMJDLC. That's how you unlock your $5 bonus. After that, you'll need to make a qualifying payment of at least $5 to anyone. It could be a friend, a family member, or even paying for something small. As soon as you make that payment, you should see your $5 bonus hit your account within a few minutes. Easy, right? A few quick things to know. This offer is usually for new users only, so if you already have Cash App, unfortunately, you won't be able to claim this $5 bonus. Also, the $5 bonus should appear almost instantly after making your first payment, but in some cases it could take a little longer, so be patient. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who might need this, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips like this. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching. Don't miss out on your free $5, and I'll see you in the next video.